大阪ジャパン、ドハカジャパン、see you 気に。柔らか T シャツ。Hello. Just kidding. Okay, this time I'm gonna introduce you guys my favorite Filipino foods. Nibalik ko daghan mga produkto sa Pilipinas and I brought back those to Japan. So I'm gonna introduce you guys what products are my favorite. This looks like live commerce. No, this is precious for me. These are mine. Okay, first, akong paborito, Mamacitas. This is so convenient. And many types of cooking. So good. Piatos diaya di kaganahan. Actually, I love piatos. This is my favorite. Yes, this is my favorite snack. I don't have the real product because I ate all. I already consumed all. Please give me. I ate all piatos already. Wala na piatos sa kompalay. Please ko. Pisniya wa. Patag piatos. Sobrang masarap. This is also my favorite. Manfang. Lami kaayo. Sobrang masarap. This is my favorite. I bought another one, a brown one, but I consumed all.
Yes.
Please buy. Okay, next. Magic Sarap, Masarap. This is evolutionary product in the Philippines, and I believe this is the best. This is so convenient and so delicious.
Yeah, boy.
Put the Magic Sarap a little bit. So yummy. Verdict, pH care. Yeah, this is good. Smells good. This is so good product. This is the best. Humot kaayo pH care. pH care means Philippine care. I feel hospitality of the Philippines. This is good for washing face, washing hair, sometimes washing body and gargle. Historia he. And this one, tan juice. This is so good and I haven't seen this kind of product in Japan. Only in the Philippines. I love this juice and I bought a lot. Ganahan kayo tan juice. Uy. San Marino corn tuna. Yay. This is so good. Japanese canned tuna. It's still fine. Japanese canned tuna is fine, but this is amazing. Lovely. I can eat this every day. Makakaon ko na adlaw-adlaw kay lami kaayo. Lami. Uy. Next. Ligo. So good. I love this taste and Japan doesn't have this kind of product. It's so delicious. This is amazing. I can eat this every day. Century tuna. Yeah. I love this taste. This is different from Japanese products. Absolutely. Lami kaayo. But dohalan sa kumbalay. Please buy me. In Japanese store, this is so expensive because this is import. Next. Corned beef. Yeah. I love this one. Lami. Next. And this is my love. Pancit canton. I so love this one. Lami. Imaw oyak. Lami kaayo. I bought many flavors. This is sweet and spicy, and original, calamansi, and chilimansi, and extra hot. I bought all flavors. Daghan mga pancit canton. Same brand. This is Lucky Me. Mac and cheese and baked mac style. So quick, convenient, and delicious. And not so expensive. I love Lucky Me. Please give me a chance to advertise. Palihog, yes. Lami kayo ko. Charot. Which should I cook now? Which should I eat? Manfang and Magic Sarap? I forgot to introduce you guys the King of Filipinas product. pH care. Yeah, humot kayo. Yeah, good for washing everything. Historia he.